everyone, it's me, Miss Shields, and today we're taking you on a trip through Vietnam to learn about nature's Instagram filter, atmospheric perspective. Stay tuned to the end of the video for a really easy art tutorial about atmospheric perspective. But before we begin, hit that subscribe button and get ready to do the starter questions on your screen right now.
Here we are at Indochina's highest mountain. Yeah, get going. Keep looking forward.
Atmospheric perspective is a phenomenon where an object's appearance changes based on its distance and atmospheric conditions. This happens because sunlight bumps into air molecules and particles, causing it to scatter into shorter wavelengths. So how does this affect what we see? Well, there are a few factors to remember. Colour of objects. Colour of objects can be changed by atmospheric perspective. Close-up things are their regular colour, but far-away objects, like mountains, may appear to be tinted with lighter hues. This can be seen clearly in this valley we came across climbing Vietnam's highest peak, Mount Fancy Pants.
Huh?
Oh my God!
Oh wait, I meant to say Fancy Pants. Connor's written this script, guys, just in case you're wondering.
It's getting brighter. I've been up all night. You've been my world, and don't have light. Getting you closer, it's harder than I ever thought in my whole life.
Detail is another factor affected by atmospheric perspective. Close-up things are bold and clear, but as we venture into the distance, colours get lighter and details soften. Take this shot for example. This was a mountain we climbed in Ninh Binh called Hang Mua Peak. It has a big dragon at the top, and you can make out a lot of the details because it's close, but the mountains in the distance look much more misty and blurry, and they're harder to make out. This is because of atmospheric perspective. Size is another thing to consider when exploring atmospheric perspective. Nearby things seem big, but as they march away, they become smaller.
Okay, one last time. These are small, but the ones out there are far away. Small, far away. Forget it.
Take our local friendly giant for example. This giant stands on top of Mullicarn Mountain in County Tyrone, where Connor is from. When the drone is further away, it looks smaller in size, but as it approaches the giant, we see its true colossal size. Lastly, clarity. Sometimes faraway scenes seem misty or translucent, like seeing through a ghost. That's because the molecules and the particles in the air combine to create a misty backdrop. Here we can see this on a cruise we took through Halong Bay with our friends. So, the next time you draw or take pictures, think about the enchanting dance between light, air, and the way things reveal themselves. And now here is that art activity that you can try at home or in school. Hello, welcome back to Learning Made Fun. In today's video we're going to learn how to make this atmospheric perspective. I did this with year 8s, but this could be done pretty much with any year group. Let's go! This art activity was inspired by a drone shot Connor took of an enchanting temple at the top of Ba Vi Mountain in Vietnam. Pause the screen now so you can see exact instructions to help your students plan for their painting. Once students are happy with their plan, they will sketch it out lightly onto their paper. I begin to sketch out my drawing and I will label the layers. I make sure that I have 7 layers. It is good to have an uneven number of layers, and you will see why when you begin to add your tints and your shades later on. Pause your screen now to see how to create the tints. Start by painting the lightest tint, which will be the furthest layer away. Next you will add the medium tint, which will be the second layer. Then you will add the darkest tint, which will be the third layer. My fourth layer will be the pure colour. There will be no white or black added to this colour. Now we are going to get shady. Pause the screen for instructions. Add your lightest shade. This will be the one closest to the purest colour. Next, paint your medium shade. Finally, you will paint your darkest shade, and this will be closest to the viewer. And there you have it, a brilliant little project that you can do with almost any year group and get excellent outcomes. Please remember to tag us and share your projects.